So here we have a 2019 Hellcat Red Eye, the subtly named Destroyer Grey. 797 horsepower. I can't remember how many pounds of torque, but enough to spin the 305/35 tyres up with ease. So normal Bilt-Hamber clean and decontamination, single stage machine polish with auto-genie M201, white pads, everything from 25mm up to 150mm, degreased with Car Pro razor, and soft 99 Fuso F7 for the gloss, and angel wax luminosity for the matte trunk spoiler and the satin bonnet for alloys as well. And then the things like tyres were done with Car Pro Pal. Engine bay's been detailed, glass has been two-stage, cleaned and polished with auto-genie, and I've managed to lock the interior, which is handy, but essentially just a basic valet in there. Didn't really need anything much other than a thorough hoover and dust. And there we have it. Something a little bit special.